Hi, thanks for passing by today. As you can see, I am in my kitchen and it's getting little messy lately. My kitchen is like decent size for one person, but still it tends to get messy a lot. I'll change the things here and there, see how it goes. Anyways, I want to bring you along with this again. Welcome to my messy kitchen. So this is the halat right now. Okay, oops. And yep, this I want to change basically and put it here somewhere. That's the idea. As you can see, this one is like little wobbly. The size of this is bigger than that, so I think it will be like a good match in terms of balance than this one. This is the condition, which is very messy. My masalas are everywhere. Reason of buying this card is basically to put it here, but again it will be too big. This is the part which I want to change. This thing, transfer this to here and take this there. Yeah, like this is my pancake maker. Chocolate chips, spatula, my bowls. It's way better. This will go and to here. Getting this format, let me. Which one is looking good? I have no idea. This one. I think I'll keep it like this. Seeds, we need much and
जैसे रुत में है तरंग जैसे तू है तो तू है जिस ओर तेरी शहनाई उस ओर मैं भागूं रे वास्ते जान भी दूं मैं गवाह मां भी दूं किस्मतों का लिखा मोड़ दूं बदले में मैं तेरी जो खुदा खुद भी दे जन्नते सच कहूं छोड़ दूं धड़कन ये कहती है दिल तेरे बिन धड़के ना एक तू ही यार मेरा मुझको क्या दुनिया से लेना धड़कन ये कहती है